Tudluan kung saan pag-absent. Fourth quarter, by the way. Last 10 minutes. Cross-court pass, wide open. Aldous Turculas. That's good. Tabla tayo. 4:58 apiece.
When in doubt, shoot! As Aldous Turculas na patingin sa bench ng taga-UP Fighting Maroons.
Former team nito si Aldous Turculas.
Exactly.
Noy against Kalima. Good stop by Noy. Off the glass. Wow.
This guy is really a certified scorer. A professional scorer.
60-58. Cross-court. Stepping on the line. In transition, that's a foul. Onoy Rimogat. Fans. Correction, it is 60-59 pala. Isang free throw lang yun ay pasok doon. Baila. Hour to go, goes to Alter. And Sean with that control.
Wala na mapuntahan doon si Baila, but Alter clearly reading that 45 cut. Ganda ng cut na ginawa.
Whoa! Aldous Turculas with a dunk attempt right there.
Sayang, good backdoor play. Communication there for Reyes.
Itule. Goes forward. Kalimag. Vars. Misses. Put back. Andito kay Turculas. Against a smaller defender. Here comes the screen. Baila tries to attack. Baila scores.
Too much to handle there for Marcelo. Mahap.
Crucial shots for them. 64-61. Reyes. Traveling for Turculas.
Sayang. Hindi niya-
Ito. 64-61. Shot clock at 10. Connie Stevens. Baila. There's a block from behind doon. The cat stolen away. Baila. Escapes and scores for UP.
You see the change of speed there for Baila. Kaya nga itong Bugana. So nice, we need to say it twice. A change of speed from Primera diretso Quinta.
66-61. 5-minute. Kalahati na po ng ating fourth quarter. Hawkins with a turnover.
Sayang, good pass there for Itule.
Puyos. 4 minutes. Long shot for Puyos, but offensive rebound for Connie Stevens.
You know, credit
Kwento kasi ni Pai, San Beda still holds a special place in his heart. Ikaw ba naman manalo ng championship at mag-finals MVP pa, tapos sa isang iglap nasa kabilang court ka na at kalaban mo na sila. Dagdag ni Pai, the reason I left San Beda was because hinahanap ko yung UAAP competition.
defensive stop now for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay. They need to stop here. Mismatch, mano a mano. Clearly that's a traveling call there. UP here, they need really to trap itong Itule.
Miss shot for Itule. Bayosing. Here is RV Puyos. BJ Pre yung tatanggap. Connie Stevens, no call right there. Kalimag.
Sayang eh. He will finish this game, that's for sure.
3 minutes sa ating oras. Ganda ng pagka-upo doon eh, Rimogat, no? Mahaba din yung kanyang pahinga dito. DJ Pre. Tonoy Rimogat, 4 seconds. Rimogat fires. Nagawa ng rebound. Payosing has it. Extra feed. And the score by VJ Pre.
Too much length there for UP as Payosing.
Here comes Kalimag. Turkulas. Extra feed.
Sayang, Delarama. Nag-cut eh. As Turkulas.
2 minutes sa ating oras. Rimogat, 2:30. 12 seconds to shoot. James Payosing. Gusto niya ng one-on-one against Delarama. Payosing, extra feed. Deflected by Kalimag. Nope, recovered. Rimogat lets it fly. Rebound for San Beda.
Defense.
70-62. 2 minutes. Reyes, long shot. Nice defense. Last 2 minutes na lang. Grabe, ramdam natin yung maos ng ating Parker, no? Kung yung last 2 minutes na yun, umabot yun ng 150, no?
Yes, exactly. Yossi lang yan. Okay na yan.
Wow, big rebound by James Payosing.
Grabe talaga itong Payosing eh. That's what I've been talking.
1:30. UP up by 8. Reyes goes to Kalimag. Kalimag tries to attack. Libre. Cuts down the lead to 6.
Wow, Kalimag there answering the whole entire UP Fighting Maroons in your face against James Payosing.
Noy Rimogat. One-on-one against Reyes. Rimogat. Cross court. BJ Pre. Ogana. Big shot again. He is the man. Russell Ogana.
When in doubt, shoot from anywhere since that first quarter. But this is one of the most important shots of the game. It's so nice. We need to see it twice. Russell Ogana, pangatlo pa yan. Thrice na.
8 puntos na lang ito. San Beda's ball position here. Reyes. Kalimag, big shot. Wow, good back shot there by Ogana. Fakes. Noy Rimogat will take care of this one for UP. That's a foul on Itule.
That will be
Payosing controlling it. Payosing to the corner. James, nabitawan pa. That's
3
it, 6
seconds. Yes, again, Gani Stevenson point quick 3 here.
Oh, quick 2 for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay.
What a door play. Good back pick there as Itule on the air for that 2 points. So Nino.
Reyes. Turkulas. Hamora fires. Nope. Rebound by Hawkins. And out of bounds yan. Para sa San Beda.
Yeah, I think that's it, Nino. Again, really playing good basketball for the Red Lions. Wow, Titay.
And you know, congratulations to the both squads. UP Fighting Maroons will win and go home with 800,000 cash. Congratulations.
And we all know Nino.
Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer Open Basketball Invitational Tournament Champions. Now other than UP Fighting Maroons. Paldo na ito mga bata natin. And yours truly, Nino Abanit. Daghang salamat for having us and joining us sa ating tournament dito ngayong 4th Governor Dr. Ann K.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!